At BYD New Zealand, we think it's important that you have access to quick, professional repairs right across the country. We currently have more than 30 repairers. Only BYD repairers are fully trained and certified and audited by BYD New Zealand and BYD headquarters to ensure that your car is repaired back to factory standards. You should always choose a BYD repairer first and foremost, because these vehicles are packed with technology. These aren't just simple cars to fix. That's why all of our BYD repairers undergo rigorous training, both locally here in New Zealand and also at BYD headquarters in Shenzhen. They're also equipped with all of the modern and factory-specific technical tools to ensure that your vehicle is repaired back to factory condition. By choosing a BYD repairer, you're ensuring that your BYD factory warranty remains 100% intact. While it's under warranty, only BYD genuine factory parts will be fitted to your car, and these are only available through your BYD repairer. Now, right here on this website, you can find your closest authorized BYD repairer, but also in your glove box, you'll have one of these, which is what to do in the event of an accident. And inside there is a QR code that you can scan. It'll point out your closest BYD repairer. On behalf of BYD, I would like to thank you very much for choosing our BYD cars. We are committed to keeping you on the road and ensuring that your asset retains its highest possible resale value and is repaired back to factory conditions.